guys, just taking another little drive in my Camaro. So far it's got about 60 miles on the new Opti Spark, and honestly it may have just been a while since I've driven it, but it feels a lot smoother with the new Opti. The engine does, but I know I also fixed the exhaust check valve. It even seems to feel a little bit quicker. It really honestly feels a little quicker. Like, just got onto the interstate. It gets up to interstate speeds really quick now, and you can hear that engine without that exhaust leak. It just purrs. I mean, honestly, the only way you can tell it upshifts is you just hear the exhaust change a